Inside my img folder I have included two images, bg.jpg and icon. Okay, let's include these two images. At first, go to index.php. From here, in below the link, create one more link, img/icon.svg, and make sure this rel attribute is icon, not style sheet. Sizes, the sizes should be 16 pixel by 16 pixel. Inside this body will have a class of whole body with a div tag. Inside whole body will have a header tag, header enter. Inside header will have our navigation menu. Just copy this, cut it and paste it inside header. Shift Alt F. Okay, from materialize CSS, click on CSS. This is the color code. You can find lots of color code in here. Just copy any of the color you like, copy it and paste it on the element you want to color. Okay, next change the color for our navbar. 311 B92 deep purple, darken 4, and I want to wrap everything inside a container. Let's make a div with the class of container. Just take all of the content inside container. Okay, let me reformat it little bit, save it, reload the page. You can see it's looking perfect. Okay, now very next thing I'm going to do is change the logo, image, and press tab. This image will be img icon.svg, and image size will be this will be width is equal, let's make it 20 pixel, and I want to change the text here as well. Sign in, and this href attribute will be hash sign so that we can come back to the index page. Paste it below few more times, paste it below. This should be sign up, sign dashboard, and sign out. Save it. Next we are going to make a footer. From materialize CSS, go to components. From here you can find the option for footer. Here it is. We are going to just copy and paste this footer. Copy and paste it below this header. Paste the footer, and in between header and footer just write main tag and press tab. This should be main. Okay, here it is, main body. And let me change the color of our footer. Just copy this color and paste it inside footer. Okay, here it is, footer page. Here I am going to paste our color. Looks now. Okay, now let's add some custom styling for our website. Go to CSS. In here I am going to create a new file, style.css. Here I am going to create a style for whole body. That was the class. Okay, in whole body we'll have width of 100%. Height will be 100 pis, tab, and background image background image will be ..img / name of your image. Background position will be center. Background size will be cover. Background repeat will be no repeat. Okay, now we are going to style for our image. Brand dash logo img. Inside brand image div we have a tag of image. We are going to style for that. Okay, margin top 8 pixel, width will be 45 pixel. Save it. Okay, in your index.php, copy this link and paste it below one more time. Copy and paste it below. Ctrl V. In the place of materialize, just write style.css. Now open your browser and reload the page once again. It's looking perfect to me, but this footer should be at the very bottom. Okay, don't worry, we are going to make that. Okay, now inside user I am going to create a form, create a file, signin.php, create one more file for sign up, signup.php, create one more file for sign out. This should be extension of php. Okay, now in index.php, inside this main tag we are going to write our form. We are going to make our sign up form. Later on we are going to take it to the another file. Okay, so let's make a form. Form.call.s12. Materialize CSS has 12 column. We can go up to 12 column, and row is unlimited. So in our form we'll have 12 column, and we are going to have a row. Inside row we'll have another div with class name of input dash field dot call dot s6. Okay, it's taking 6 column. Next one will take also 6 column. Okay, inside this 6 column we'll have a input field with id of full underscore name and paste tab. Here this type will be text. Let's make label. This would be for full name, full underscore name, and this label will be full name. Okay, now copy this input field and paste it below few more times. 1 2 3 4. We have pasted it below 3 more times. Save it in your browser and reload it once again. Okay, it's looking perfect, but I think we need to wrap it inside a container. Actually these two fields should be inside another row. Just Ctrl X for cut it and paste it inside another row. Just write row and press tab and paste it here as well. And in below we are going to create one more row for our submit button. Button dot class name will be btn dot waves effect, and make sure the color is this color should be dot Okay, let's make it color manually. Actually, we can copy from top. Let's copy this color, Ctrl C and paste it below here. Okay, this button type will be submit. Type is equal submit. Button text will be sign up. And okay, that's it. Now we are going to take it inside a container. Close this form, take it inside this container, save it, check once again how does it looks. It's looking perfect to me now. I think I forget to change those attributes. This should be email. In the place of full name, this should be email. This would be password. Type of password for password, this would be password, and this is also password, and for password 2 change it to password 2, not password 2. This level would be password, repeat password. It make more sense. Repeat password. Okay, save it. For now I will copy this form and paste it inside my sign up form. Here it is. Next we are going to take into the another place, and this form, let me change it to sign in form. Delete this row, we don't need this row anymore. In the place of sign up, just write sign in, and this would be email. Actually, delete this, copy this email field and paste it below for password. In the place of full name, just write password. SWORD. Open your browser, reload once again. It's looking perfect for sign in. Once again I am going to just cut this form, cut it from here and paste it inside sign in form. Later on we are going to take into the another place. We don't need it for now. Main content, save it. Okay, that's all for user interface. Next we are going to use PHP for dynamically printing all of our elements, and we are going to work with the functionality of PHP sign in, sign up users, and we are going to interact with MySQL database.